Welcome to another series of videos for MicroStation Python introduction. First I'll play the Python script. Basically plays a circle, a block and some text here. So if I go here, so first you'll see here, as per usual, these modules are imported. And every single module has its own function. First one is the core functionalities of MicroStation. The second one is the geometric operations and manipulations. Third one is handling of engineering components, objects, platform-specific functionalities with the GN files, general MicroStation platform functionalities. Yeah, they contain basically the modules contain certain codes. This could include necessary information which a program will not function without importing them. This is why you'll notice them at the top of the code. Then you have this line here. This line sets the start point variable to 0, 0, 0, also known as the origin point. This is used as a starting point for many geometric functions. Also sets the second line. This line sets the point variable to 0, 0, 0, also known as the origin point. This is used as a temporary variable to store coordinates during calculations or transformations. In the code below, you'll notice the lines always start with bytecode input Q. This is a module that handles input commands in MicroStation. So whenever there's an input command, you'll see this. The line directly below says send data point. Data point is a coordinate in the 3D space. So it sends this coordinate to MicroStation. Point is a parameter which represents the coordinates x, y, z, where data is to be placed. 1 is a parameter which typically represents the view number in MicroStation where the data is being sent. MicroStation can handle multiple views open, and this specifies which views to use. You can see here there's 3, 4, 1, etc. So we want to get view 1 for that, so that's why it specifies it. Yep. And then you see the lines below that all have send key in them. This method is a rule which is a must to ensure test commands can be executed. I'm not sure if that's even right, but let's get the point. First line says place block. This is a straightforward function which activates starter block. I mean a block tool, sorry, starter block. Second line says xy equals 0, 0, semicolon, xy equals 1, 1. This function is the starting and end point of the block and real world coordinates. Third line says view extended 1. This function zooms in or zoom extends to the area of the CAD items, and 1 is for the view, a specific view. If it was for view 5 or 6, I'll say view 5 or 6. Fourth line says place block. This is a function which activates the place circle. Wait, that doesn't. First line says place circle, not place block. There's a function which activates the place circle tool. Fifth line says xy equals 5, 5, semicolon, xy equals 3, 3. This function gives the starting point and end point for the circle and real world coordinates. Sixth line says view extended 1, basically zoom extents for the view 1. Seventh line says place text. This function activates the place text tool. And eighth line says white chicken crossroad. This is the text, you can change it to whatever you want. So when you place tool, it automatically places the text with this content. This function allocates the text to the place text tool basically. Ninth line says xy equals 0, 0, so we want the text to be placed in x, y equals 0, 0, real world coordinates. Fit view again for 10th line, and then this line here, by command start default command, Those line is made up of two parts basically, this one and this one. First part is a module that manages the state of commands MicroStation. The second part resets the command set, turning the system to its default state. This is useful to make sure that no other commands are active before starting a new operation. And that's basically it.